Tuberculosis, one of the world's deadliest diseases, claimed 1.5 million lives worldwide in 2013. But drug resistance is threatening the control of the disease. In 2006, an outbreak of extensively drug-resistant tuberculosis at Tugela Ferry in KwaZulu-Natal added pressure on an increasingly burdened health system. 52 of the 53 people who contracted XDR died within months. The 3-year research project by the KwaZulu-Natal Research Institute for Tuberculosis and HIV and international partners was aimed at finding the origins of the virtually untreatable XDR.
And what we found was that this is not something that resulted from recent problems with TB control or HIV. Actually, the acquisition of resistance dated right back to the 1950s when the first antibiotics to treat TB were introduced.
And the drug responsible for the development of resistance was the antibiotic isoniazid. Currently, hospitals and clinics test for drug resistance by screening for rifampicin. The research points to the need to pay more attention to isoniazid. It has implications for the new TB drug bedaquiline, the first to be developed in 40 years.
There's an arms race that each time we develop a new drug, the bug will develop resistance to it. But unless we use it incredibly carefully, the bug will rapidly become resistant to it too, and essentially the drug will then become useless. So in terms of policy, what we really need is a very rigorous antibiotic stewardship,
which suggests that only selected patients should get the new drug. Renee Heine, SABC News, Durban.